Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys. I already took off the shipping label, so let's just get right into it and show you guys what I got. Hold on. I'll just tell you guys right now that I've been waiting for the shipment since January 1st. So I mean, no, probably a little after that, a couple days after, January 3rd. So it's been a while, and it's just been too cold to ship, and I'm really excited to see what this animal looks like. As you can see, it is from AC Reptiles, Anthony Caponetto. It was off of his reptile auctions on his Facebook page, so pretty cool. Sorry, it's really early. It's like 8:30. And wow. Awesome. I bought this animal unsexed about, I want to say, yeah, in January. So, and I think he said it was about 6 grams then. Definitely looks like it grew a couple grams at least. It's really cold, so I'm gonna wait for it to warm up, but this is a tangerine to lavender outcross, and he said it was a super stripe. So really awesome. Let me see if I can pause the video. Alright, I have the flash on, and it's kind of taken away from all of its real true lavender colors, but I'm gonna make an update video on this guy in a little bit, showing you guys its real colors in the natural sunlight. But I just wanted to get an unboxing video for you guys to show you the unboxing. So if you like the unboxing video, and if you want to see more of those, just give it a thumbs up and comment, rate, subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. See ya.